guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I am explain how to customize your YouTube channel. So guys, now I am open a browser and this account is new and I am just created YouTube channel and customize YouTube channel. So let's get started today's video. So guys, now I am is the default image on Gmail account. Okay, upload picture and your name. So I'm type your name, my name, Islam blog. Okay, just handle is available, so I'm click create channel. So guys, I am just name Islam blogs. Okay, handle is available Islam blogs. So now create a channel. So guys, now create a channel, and next video I am just customize this channel. So goodbye.